Hi there, this is a quick tip for how to modify components while playing and paste their values. So let's say you're testing your game trying to get some values just right. So for example, here is a scene where I have a player character and a bunch of crates. And I want to push these crates around with my character, so that means I need to add a box collider to my character. So I can exit the game, go here, select my character, and here I add the box collider. However, my animation system only runs when the game is running, so right now the player isn't visible. So that means in order to set the correct values in here, I have to pretty much guess just how tall the player is. So I set these values, now I play the scene. Now the player is visible, so I can pause the scene and see that my values are way too small, so we can now stop. Now increase it a bit more and try again and see if the values are better. If not, try again. So that's one way to do it, essentially by trial and error. Now another way we can do it is pause the scene. Now in here we set the correct values. So drag this about this about there, push it a bit down, okay. So these are the values I would like to put. And now I can either memorize this or take a screenshot of these values, then stop the scene and put them back in. So that's another approach. Or we have a third approach, which is the best one, which is we play the scene. Here's the player, now we pause it, and now here in the inspector, I can see the box collider. I can modify them to match the perfect values, just like that. And now I right click in here, I click copy component, then I stop the scene, right click and paste component values. And just like that, there you go, the correct values have been pasted. Now I can play and everything should work perfectly fine. So yeah, here's the character with the correct box collider, and now I can move, and now, yep, indeed, everything works exactly as intended. So this way you can do all your testing while playing the game and balance the values accordingly. This works with any component, so if you have, for example, a enemy spawner script, you can change this to whatever values fit your game as you're testing. Then you go in here, again, copy component, stop it, and paste component values, and there you go, you pasted all of them. So extremely useful when you have something with a lot of components and you want to test for the correct values. And that's it. Hope you found this tip useful. Alright, see you next time.